Wagwan people, you don't know it's a girl Kim Kelly. Wagwan viewers and subscribers, them big up on yourself. You know, say me rate all I want to see it. Today, me go start out good with a nice clean body hairstyle. So all of them things you me show now, them me go use in a good. Alright, so you can just go and watch me how me do that style yeah, and you can drop a comment down below so me can know what you think. Alright, guys, you see how the pattern at the side part look nice. Me tell you no say it all look good, you know, with the color elastic. You know, look at color just like brighten up our face. Cause if me did use the black elastic, it ain't that look so good. So me I use my stocking you now. Me just do a little pre-catch, cause me I go pull you up back. Yeah. Me just want to pre-catch and get flat. So me catch up a second time. Me just well flat and neat. Me just love use stocking catch up here. Alright, so me set on the braid now to make the ponytail, so I'm gonna just separate it now and plait it. Cause I'm gonna make a butterfly braid. I just love butterfly braid, especially when I have the ponytail and halo crown and them something there. Butterfly braid, it just look good to me. I don't know if I don't like it, guys, but it look nice. Alright guys, so I'm gonna just put one last stick on the end of the braid. So which part me stop the plait, me fi say. Which I just put one last stick, which part me stop the plait so that the rest of the plait don't pull out. Alright, so see me I do the butterfly braid there. All me do, me just tease up the plait and make it get fluffy. So that give the fluffy look. I don't know why them call it butterfly braid, but it just look good. But me did promise last time say me I gonna do one butterfly braid tutorial and I never do it, you know. But guys, I just remember, me never remember. Me need to write it down. Cause I second time this now me I did, so I think me need to do one tutorial for my viewers and my subscribers them who don't know how to do it, so them can learn how to do it. So guys, just drop a comment down below if you want me to do the butterfly braid tutorial. Alright, so I'm gonna apply a little eco gel now to help hold good the hairstyle, cause I know want by the time she walk out the road her hairstyle just start fuzz out. So that can't work. Boy, I just love how the pattern look in her head side right there, so look really nice. A little corner where me drop in and me go there, so trust me man. They know say it all looks so good. Alright, so for my favorite part now, edges. Our ear well relaxed, you know. So you know so when time I make our edges them, it go well laid down. Can't do the hairstyle and don't do the edges them. You know so once the edges them on fleek and the hairstyle look good, you know so your hairstyle on fleek. So edges around the place and now so edges have to do. Wash Goody with a par lip them. I feel she feel cute, you know. We don't want to go on in a Goody area now. Goody just feel hot. What a back foot when time all me done this a hairstyle and I look good again. Well, good. Place I go mash up Goody, I go and bad. After she sit down so patient and wait for the hairstyle when me I go give her. After me tell her say hairstyle I go hot. What me I go tell Goody say when we done if your hairstyle not look good. Alright guys, so I'm gonna apply the last finishing touch, them gold accessories here. I put them on the butterfly braid because you know it highlight the braid and make it look extra nice. And everybody like them still, but me love put them on the braid. Not every braid style, some braid style. Cause some braid style you have to put no accessories on it for you look good. But it just bring off the butterfly braid. Alright guys, see it now, this is the finished look. Yeah, I saw we do it, Jamaican style. Quick and easy butterfly braid ponytail. So comment down below and tell me how it look. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.